A very good morning, students. So today in our live class I taught you the chapter number 7, possessives. Students, possessives are the words those we use with the nouns to show that something belongs to someone. Means possessives वो words होते हैं या वो form होती हैं जो हम noun के साथ यूज़ करते हैं जिससे ये पता चलता है कि कौन सी चीज़ किसकी है. ओके. Possession means that thing which belongs to someone. किसी चीज़ को किसी का होना बताना possession कहलाता है. ओके. For example, this one sentence is here. This is Akash's bag. ये आकाश का बैग है. So Akash's bag. Whose bag is this? Akash. So this is the possession. Okay, students. And one more thing is there that always whenever we are showing possession, we are always using apostrophe with the s. This is the possession. Okay. So number 2. Okay, you can see this also. I went to Pooja's farewell party. Pooja की farewell party में. Whose party was that? Pooja's party. Okay. So apostrophe s means का, के, की. Pooja की, Pooja का, इसका, उसकी, like that. Okay. So in the both sentences we added an apostrophe plus s like this. Okay. So this is showing the possession. Okay. So a possession form is used with nouns to show that something belongs to someone. Okay. And suppose one more thing is there. If there is a plural form in the sentence, so with that time we will not put the as with the apostrophe. We just simply write as like this. Jaz's shirt is dirty. Double s is there, s is already there, so we will write okay only just simple apostrophe. Okay, then okay, so this is the possession. Okay, and in this what we will do that here is two exercises are here. Okay, so in these exercise what you have to do, you have to use the possessives. How you will do this? So one example is here. The book for the children has beautiful pictures. So किसकी book है वो? The book for the children, children की. So how we will write this? The children's book has beautiful pictures. बच्चों की book में बहुत सारी beautiful pictures हैं. Number 2 you can say the grandparents of Nihar are visiting them. Whose grandparents? Nihar's grandparents. So students, mostly generally what is here in the sentences of is also there. Of means also के, का, के, की. Apostrophe s का भी मतलब का, के, की होता है और of का मतलब भी का, के, की होता है. So whenever in a sentence there is of, और अगर आपको बोला जाता है कि अपोस्ट्रोफी एस यूज़ करिए तो आप ऑफ को हटा देंगे और उसकी जगह अपोस्ट्रोफी एस यूज़ करेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि दोनों का मीनिंग ही सेम होता है. ओके. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस? निहार्स ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आर विजिटिंग देम. ओके, like this you have to do. Then number 2, the parents of Cherish have gone to Canada. Whose parents? Cherish's parents. So Cherish. Now here is s in the end, so we will just write apostrophe. We will not write s after the Cherish. Okay, Cherish's parents have gone to Canada. Okay, like this you have to do. Then number 3, the sisters of Sohail are playing in the snow. Whose sisters are playing? Sohail's sister. Sohail की बहनें. So we will omit s and in the of, and in the place of we will write apostrophe with the s. So how we will write? Sohail's sisters are playing in the snow. Like this you have to do. Okay. Then number 4 is here. The handkerchief belonging to my grandmother is missing. जो हैंडकरचीफ मेरी ग्रैंडमदर से बिलोंग करता था. Whose handkerchief was that? Grandmother. So how you will write this? My grandmother's handkerchief is missing. Okay. Then the eyes of the cat are glowing in the dark. Whose eyes are glowing? The cat's eyes are glowing in the dark. Cat's eyes, apostrophe with the S. Okay. The shop of Ahmed. Whose shop? Ahmed's shop. The shop of Ahmed is open today. Ahmed's shop is open today. Okay. Then the parrot belonging to Param is very friendly. Param's parrot is very friendly. Okay. Whose parrot? Param's parrot is very friendly. Okay. Then the ring belonging to my aunt was stolen. Whose रिंग वॉज स्टोलन? किसकी रिंग जो है खो गई थी? आंट की. तो अपन कैसे लिखेंगे इसे? माई आंट्स रिंग वॉज स्टोलन. ओके. देन कम डाउन लास्ट वन. द काइट बिलोंगिंग टू तान्या वॉज torn. Whose kite was torn? Tanya's kite was torn. किसकी kite? Tanya's kite. Okay. Like this you have to do this in the book. Okay. Then this exercise number B, what you have to do here, make sentences using the possessive forms of these nouns. Means आपको boy use करना है और boy के साथ में possession use करके आपको sentences बनाने हैं. Like boy. So any sentence you can make. The boy's shoes are blue. Okay. Women. You can say. Okay. You can write here the women's sarees are beautiful. Okay. Like this you have to make the sentences. Students, this is your homework. So you have to do this activity in the copy. Okay. With suppose aunts, birds. Now in this it is already in the plural form, so you just put an apostrophe. Do not write an s after the apostrophe because s is already given here. Okay. In brothers also, in uncles also, in ladies also. Like this you have to do. And be careful and do this exercise in the copy. Okay. Thank you.